Edusoft Robotics. Comprehensive STEM and robotics solution.
Hello, students. Welcome to Edusoft Robotics. In this tutorial, we will control the servo motor using magic board. For this experiment, we are required a magic board with USB Type-C cable and a servo motor. This is the circuit diagram for the project. So, let's start building. Step 1. Take your servo motor and connect it to the magic board. Connect the red and brown wires to 5 volts and ground, and the yellow wire to the signal pin IO3. Step 2. Use the Type-C cable to connect your magic board to the computer. This is the program code we are going to upload to the magic board. You can download the code from the description or visit our official website for more technical support. Once the code is ready, upload the code to the magic board and see the real magic.